Are you looking to supercharge your gaming PC with the fastest and most powerful DDR5 RAM? In this video we'll be counting down the top 5 best DDR5 RAM gaming in 2025 options that deliver blazing fast speeds, low latency, and top-tier performance for the latest games. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or just want the smoothest gameplay experience, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find out which DDR5 RAM is the perfect upgrade for your setup. Let's dive in. Number 5. Kingston Fury Beast RGB DDR5. The Kingston Fury Beast RGB DDR5 is an absolute game-changer in high-performance memory, delivering blazing fast speeds, rock-solid stability, and a stunning RGB design. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a PC enthusiast pushing your system to the limits, this RAM delivers top-tier performance with effortless overclocking support. The DDR5 technology ensures higher bandwidth and efficiency, making multitasking and demanding applications smoother than ever. Plus, the customizable RGB lighting adds a stylish touch, syncing seamlessly with major motherboard software for a personalized look. From build quality to real-world performance, Kingston has nailed it with the Fury Beast RGB DDR5. It not only enhances your PC's responsiveness but also keeps temperatures in check with its well-designed heat spreader. Latency is minimal, frame rates are high, and stability is unmatched, making it a must-have upgrade for anyone looking for cutting-edge memory. With a 5 out of 5 rating, this RAM kit sets a new benchmark, proving why Kingston remains a dominant force in the gaming and enthusiast space. If you want speed, style, and reliability, the Fury Beast RGB DDR5 is worth every penny. Number 4. G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo is a powerhouse memory kit designed specifically for AMD Ryzen 7000 series and AM5 platforms, delivering exceptional performance, stability, and sleek aesthetics. With high-speed DDR5 capabilities and low latency, this RAM ensures smooth multitasking, faster load times, and an overall boost in gaming and productivity. The matte black aluminum heat spreader not only looks premium but also keeps thermals under control, making it perfect for overclockers and high-performance users. Whether you're into competitive gaming or heavy workloads, the Trident Z5 Neo handles it all effortlessly. Beyond its raw performance, G.Skill's attention to detail is outstanding, with AMD Expo support making overclocking as simple as a single BIOS tweak. It delivers rock-solid stability while pushing the limits of memory speed, ensuring you get the best out of your Ryzen-based system. The modern, aggressive design complements any high-end build, making it a top choice for PC enthusiasts. With its flawless execution in speed, efficiency, and aesthetics, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo earns a well-deserved 5 out of 5 rating, proving to be one of the best DDR5 kits available today. Number 3. Corsair Vengeance DDR5-5200. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5-5200 is an excellent memory upgrade for those looking to take advantage of next-gen DDR5 speeds without breaking the bank. With a solid 5200 MHz clock speed, this RAM delivers a noticeable improvement in multitasking, gaming, and content creation. Corsair's reputation for quality and reliability shines through, with a sleek low-profile design that fits effortlessly into any build. Plus, XMP 3.0 support makes overclocking a breeze, allowing users to fine-tune performance for optimal results. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a productivity powerhouse, this RAM ensures smooth and responsive performance. One of the standout features of the Vengeance DDR5-5200 is its efficient power management and stable operation, ensuring minimal heat buildup and long-term durability. Unlike some flashy RGB kits, Corsair keeps it simple with a clean, professional look that appeals to both gamers and professionals alike. Backed by Corsair's excellent reputation and high-quality components, this RAM kit earns a solid 5 out of 5 rating for delivering speed, stability, and affordability in one impressive package. If you're upgrading to DDR5, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5-5200 is a fantastic choice. Number 2. G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5-6000. The G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5-6000 is a top-tier memory kit that delivers exceptional speed, stability, and breathtaking aesthetics. Running at 6,000 metric tons per second, this RAM ensures ultra-fast performance, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts looking to push their systems to the max. The sleek aluminum heat spreader keeps temperatures in check, while the customizable RGB lighting syncs beautifully with major motherboard software, giving your setup a stunning visual appeal. Whether you're overclocking or running demanding applications, The Trident Z5 RGB DDR5-6000 handles everything effortlessly with its top-notch build quality and optimized performance. Beyond raw speed, G.Skill has fine-tuned this memory for peak efficiency, providing low latencies and high stability for smooth multitasking and gaming. With Intel XMP 3.0 support, achieving max speeds is as easy as enabling a profile in the BIOS. The RGB lighting is vibrant yet elegant, adding a premium touch to any high-end build without being overwhelming. If you want a perfect combination of performance, reliability, and aesthetics, the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5-6000 is an easy 5 out of 5, a must-have upgrade for any serious PC enthusiast. Number 1 Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. The Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 stands at the pinnacle of high-performance memory, combining cutting-edge speed, superior build quality, and stunning aesthetics. Designed for enthusiasts and power users, this RAM delivers blazing fast frequencies and ultra-low latency, making it perfect for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. The patented DHX cooling technology ensures peak performance without overheating, while the Capellix RGB lighting provides vibrant, customizable illumination that stands out in any build. Whether you're pushing your system to the limit or just want top-tier memory, the Dominator Platinum RGB does not disappoint. What truly sets this RAM apart is Corsair's ICUE software, which allows deep customization of RGB effects and real-time performance monitoring. Overclocking is effortless, thanks to its hand-sorted high-quality ICs, ensuring rock-solid stability even under extreme loads. The premium aluminum heat spreader and elegant design make it a showpiece in any high-end PC build. With unmatched performance, reliability, and aesthetics, the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 earns a perfect 5 out of 5 rating, proving why it's the go-to choice for enthusiasts who demand the best. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.